In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel on website. We'll walk through the exact path inside TikTok Ads Manager, choose the right setup method, and get the base code you'll need to implement. Keep your website URL handy and be logged into the account that manages your site. Start by opening your browser and searching for TikTok Ads Manager. Click the official TikTok Ads Manager link to go to the platform, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the top navigation and click on Tools. From there, choose Events Manager. This is where you'll create and manage your tracking across web properties. Inside Events Manager, click the Connect Data Source button, which is usually near the top left. When prompted to choose a data source, select Web. TikTok will then ask for your website URL. Enter your site's address so the system can analyze your technology and recommend the best setup path for your stack. You'll now be asked to choose a setup method. Manual setup is recommended if you want maximum control and plan to install code directly. This method generates a code snippet that goes into your website's header, so it loads on every page. If your site runs on a supported platform like Shopify, Google Tag Manager, or WordPress, partner integration can streamline things with a guided, often no-code connection right inside that platform. For this tutorial, select the manual connection method. Next, you'll see an option to proceed with TikTok Pixel only, or TikTok Pixel plus Events API. The Pixel alone uses client-side tracking through the browser, while adding the Events API enables server-side event forwarding for additional resilience. Choose the option that fits your needs. Many users start with the Pixel only and layer in the Events API later. Provide a clear, descriptive name for your Pixel, up to 128 characters, so it aligns with your brand or domain and is easy to recognize if you manage multiple sites. Click Create to generate your resources. If you had chosen Partner Integration earlier, you would now jump into the Partner app and follow the guided prompts there. Since we're doing the manual setup with TikTok Pixel, you'll be presented with the base code. Copy the base code snippet exactly as provided. This is the primary tracking script that belongs in your site's global header, so it runs on all pages. Keep it handy in a secure place or share it with your developer, and avoid editing any characters within the snippet to prevent tracking issues. That's it for generating your TikTok Pixel and obtaining the base code you need.